Hello, friends. Here we are going to discuss the important multiple choice questions on business management. First question says planning dash are planning assumptions that are derived from forecasting the futures. So options are planning objectives, planning processes, planning precise premises, or planning program. So students see planning premises are planning assumptions. Basically, premises are certain assumptions on which the planning is based. So here option C is the right answer. Next question says dash plans are designed for repeated ongoing activities. So options are strategic plan, long-term plan, single-use plan, and standing plans. So see students, strategic plans are generally long-term plan. Long-term plans, again, they can be strategic plans. Single-use plans are for specific purpose, but standing plans are designed for repetitive and ongoing activities. So here option D is the right answer. Next question says planning is done for the future, past, present, or none. So this is direct question, and planning is done for the future. Question number 4. Without dash, planning is not possible. So without strategy, creativity, forecasting, and management, these are the options. Here, see students, without forecasting, planning is not possible. So option C is the right answer. Next question says, which of the following is not the technique of forecasting? So this question is on the techniques of forecasting. So time series analysis, ratio analysis, regression analysis, and input output analysis. These are the options. Here students, ratio analysis. This is not the technique of forecasting. Basically, ratio analysis is part of accounting. So here option B is the right answer because question says which of the following is not the technique of forecasting. So we have to find here odd man out, and that is ratio analysis. So here option B is the right answer. Next question says the dash seeks to aggregate opinions from a diverse set of experts. So here this question is also on the techniques of forecasting, and question says the dash seeks to aggregate opinions from diverse set of experts. So in this method opinions are taken from experts. So FIFO method, this is not the option because FIFO method which is used in the costing. Consensus method, so here no, here in consensus method there is a consensus, there is a common agreement, right? So this is not option, but option C, that is Delphi method, is uh, that method where opinions from diverse set of experts are seek. So therefore here option C is the right answer. Next question says dash is the process of choosing the best possible alternatives. So dash is the process. So basically it is about the process of choosing the best possible alternative. So basically when we make choice, it is basically a decision. So here option B is the right answer, right? Decision making is the process of choice. When we choose, it means we make decision in organization, right? Next question says which of the following factors affect the decision making? So decision making get affects because of information, prejudice, personal habits, or all of the above. These are the options. So we know that decision making gets affected by information, and it gets affected because of certain prejudice in minds. When our mind is biased, there is a possibility that we can take the decision accordingly. So prejudice is also related factor which affects the decision making. And also personal habits, so personal habits of persons are influence the decision. So all of the above is the right option here. Okay, so all of these information, prejudice, and personal habits affects the decision making process, right? Next question says student dash is the final stage in the process of decision making. Okay, so it is about the process of decision making. So which is the final stage? So here we can logically say that feedback. At the end of any process, we take the feedback. So here option A is the right answer. Feedback is the final stage in the process of decision making, right? Next question says the dash is a plan which expresses the expected results in numerical terms. Okay, so it basically plan which is in the numerical terms. So strategy, not, it is a long-term plan. Procedure, no. Program, no. But budget, yes. Budget is a plan which is in numerical term. Yes, in budget we predict the incomes and expenditure related to future. It means budget is a plan which is expressed in the numerical term. So here option D is the right answer. Dash is a plan which expresses the expected results in numerical terms. Here option D is the right answer, students. Let me correct it here. So here option D, not B, is the right answer, right? So the budget is a plan which expresses the expected results in numerical term, right? So option D is the right answer. Next question says a dash is a detailed set of instructions for performing a sequence of actions. So dash is a detailed set of instructions. So now let us discuss the options. Rule. No, rules is basically conditions for behavior expected in particular conditions. But procedure, yes, procedure is a detailed set of instructions, right? So here option B is the right answer. Next question says dash tries to find out the relation movements of two or more interrelated series. So regression analysis, time series analysis, morphological analysis, and input output analysis. So here students, regression analysis is uh, it tries to find out the relation movements interrelation between two or more inter series. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Next question, it says planning is an dash process. So alternative, intellectual, intangible, all of the above. So we know that planning is intellectual process. So here option B is the right answer. Next question says the process of dash authority with subordinate is called delegation of authority. The process of dash authority. So now let us see the option. So obviously the process of sharing authority with subordinate is called delegation of authority, right? In delegation of authority, a superior shares their authority with subordinates. So here option A is the right answer. Next question says dash is the obligation of a subordinate to perform the work. So this is basically obligation and it cannot be authority, efficiency, accountability. Yes, it is responsibility. So responsibility is the obligation of a subordinate to perform the work, right? So here option D is the right answer. See student, authority is the power basically, right? And responsibility is the obligation. Next question says dash is the capacity of the organization to adopt with changes. So dash is the capacity of the organization to adapt with the changes. So it is flexibility. Okay, it is logical that if organization is flexible, then it can adopt the changes, right? So here option B is the right answer. Now let us move on the next question and it says what are the difficulties in delegation of authorities? So lack of confidence in subordinates, fear of losing control, lack of coordination. So all these are difficulties on part of managers. So here all of the above is the right option, right? See students, there are two types of difficulties in delegation of authority. One from the point of view of management and one from the point of view of employees. So here, superiors feels that they will lose control, or sometimes superiors don't feel that employees are competent. So lack of confidence in subordinate, fear of losing control, and lack of coordination between the employees. So all these are difficulties in delegation of authority on part of management. So here option D is the right answer. Next question says dash is related to the recruitment, selection, training, and development of the employees. So we know that staffing is related to the recruitment. So here option C is the right answer. Next question says which of the following is internal source of recruitment? So this is direct question. Which of the following is internal source of recruitment? So we know that promotions, because giving advertisement and calling people for interview, it is external source. Contractors are external source. Campus interview external, but promotions within the organization is internal source of recruitment. So here option C is the right answer. Next question is dash is the cost and time saving way of recruitment. Dash is the cost and time saving, which saves the cost and time. So external recruitment, internal recruitment, both A and B and none. So we know that internal recruitment is cost and time saving, because for external recruitment we have to publish advertisement and spend money, so it is costly and time consuming. But internal recruitment is time saving and cost saving. So here option B is the right answer. Okay students, if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.